In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating journey of how countless highlighters are brought to life daily. Join me as we unveil the transformation from pigment blends to vibrant ink, from raw materials to perfectly shaped markers, and even the intriguing process of making them ready for precise highlighting. Let's dive into the captivating world of highlighter production. The emergence of the highlighter pen in the 1960s marked a groundbreaking moment in the stationery industry. During this era, Japanese inventor Yukio Horie introduced a marker employing water-based ink. Just a year later, in 1963, Carter's Ink, a prominent printing company based in Massachusetts, introduced a similar marker also utilizing water-based ink, creating vivid, translucent colors. This innovative product was christened the eye-lighter. Its primary mission: to seize your attention by applying vibrant, translucent inks in bold shades like hot pinks and warm yellows. These pens masterfully guide our gaze to the highlighted text. Interestingly, marketers have always harnessed the psychological impact of color, making these pens an ingenious tool for emphasizing crucial information in both educational and advertising contexts. Highlighters come in a dazzling array of colors, including vibrant neons. But have you ever wondered about their production process? It all begins with a vacuum system that funnels plastic pellets into a container. Interestingly, red pellets tint the entire mixture as it liquefies in a heating tube. Then, a robust steel screw exerts pressure equivalent to 350 elephants' weight to inject the molten plastic into pen molds. After this step, the newly formed pen barrels are cooled with water and collected in a container below. Simultaneously, certain transparent pen barrels move along a conveyor track. Interestingly, ink reservoirs, resembling pieces of chalk but made from polyester, are dispensed through a chute. A robotic arm skillfully inserts them into the plastic barrels, finalizing the distinctive manufacturing process of the highlighter. In the next stage, the back-end plug is precisely inserted. These plugs are directed to a robotic arm, which expertly situates them at the rear of the pen. But what about the vibrant ink inside? A skilled chemist plays a crucial role by introducing a concentrated dye into a beaker of water. Remarkably, just a little over 1/3 of an ounce, or roughly 10 drops, is enough to transform the mixture into a striking fire engine red hue. What's more, the water already contains a humectant, ensuring that the ink won't dry out within the pen, allowing for smooth and consistent highlighting. Before continuing with the description of highlighter production, it's worth mentioning an intriguing fact. Highlighters find their way into nearly all types of books, with one notable exception: the world's most widely read book, the Bible. This challenge prompted Luscombe, a Bible study accessories distributor based in Illinois, to address the issue of standard highlighters smudging on the delicate pages of Bibles. The company introduced a color coding system: yellow for blessings, blue for the Holy Spirit, pink for salvation, and green for growth and new life. Despite initial resistance, the practice of highlighting the Bible has become commonplace thanks to their use of an exclusive Japanese ink that remains vibrant on paper. The process proceeds with the measurement of ink thickness. A steel probe descends into the inks and begins to rotate, while a gauge measures its speed. If the probe rotates too quickly, it indicates that the ink is too thin. If it rotates too slowly, the mixture is too thick. The ink reaches the desired consistency when it rotates at a steady 4 revolutions per minute. Next, a vacuum pump sucks the ink and transports it through 15-centimeter steel needles. A robotic arm comes into play, precisely inserting the needles into the polyester reservoirs and injecting the ink. This meticulous process ensures the quality and uniformity of each highlighter that makes its way into your hands. Before we continue tracing the journey of this item through the factory, have you ever wondered how long a highlighter can last? A typical highlighter with around 10 milliliters or 0.3 ounces of ink allows you to highlight approximately 50,000 words before needing a refill. It's no wonder that highlighters often seem to last forever. As we move to the next stage of assembly, we encounter a fascinating process. Here, a combination of mechanical vibrations and compressed air propels a conveyor belt carrying the pen nibs. As these nibs descend, a mechanical claw captures them, subsequently releasing them onto a circular pusher. This pusher firmly attaches the nibs to the pens, creating a secure connection. The outcome of this precise operation is a smooth flow of ink into the pen's reservoir. Now let's move on to the finishing touches. An efficient conveyor system transports caps towards a mechanical gripper. The gripper skillfully slides these caps onto the nibs. Meanwhile, on a separate assembly line, a 3-in-1 marker is being crafted. Here, a conveyor belt guides smaller ink reservoirs into a chute, from where they gracefully descend onto a robotic arm. This arm inserts the reservoirs into the compact barrels, and a precision needle rapidly injects them with ink, saturating the reservoirs with vivid, vibrant colors. This meticulous procedure ensures that each marker is prepared to deliver its vivid hues instantly. The assembly process continues with precision. The next robotic arm securely attaches a receptacle to the barrel, and then another robot fixes a polyester nib onto it. A hood-like cap is expertly placed over the nib by yet another mechanical arm. Simultaneously, a separate mechanical arm gently collects the fuchsia-colored binny markers and carefully places them into a triangular case. Further down the line, another suction arm selects a red mini marker and slots it into the triangle, securing it in place with a steel press. Finally, a yellow marker joins to complete the triangular ensemble. Now a robot employs an electrical charge to pick up metallic confetti, which gracefully falls into the triangle when the charge is deactivated, adding a touch of glitter. In the final steps, a suctioning robot places the upper part of the triangle onto the lower case, and a metal cylinder securely seals the assembly. This intricate process ensures that the markers are not only functional, but also visually appealing, making them ready for use in various creative endeavors. Another suctioning arm carries the 3-in-1 marker to a conveyor belt that places it into a box. This 3-in-1 highlighter simplifies color coding text with a distinct color for each theme. At this stage, an advanced electrical conveyor system takes charge, ensuring the seamless transfer of the highlighters to the waiting mechanical arm. This arm, with precision and expertise, flips each marker, aligning them perfectly for the next pivotal step in the production journey. It's remarkable how this seemingly simple action plays a crucial role in ensuring the final product's quality. Moving forward, a specialized squeegee methodically and flawlessly silkscreens a logo onto the surface of each highlighter. This step not only adds a touch of distinction, but also signifies the brand's commitment to quality and excellence. Once the logo application is complete, the highlighters enter a specially designed ultraviolet light chamber. Inside this chamber, the powerful UA light plays a pivotal role. It doesn't just brighten the room, it catalyzes a chemical reaction that solidifies the bond between the ink and the marker's case. This crucial process ensures that the ink remains firmly in place, even under the pressures of highlighting and marking countless pages. Finally, we arrive at the ultimate test of durability and performance. Precision-engineered plastic rippers carefully guide the markers as they trace circles. These markers undergo a rigorous 700 to 1,000 circles, a testament to the meticulous engineering behind this production line. These circles aren't just a random number. They symbolize the marker's ability to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. It's a mark of quality and reliability that sets this production line apart in the market. I'm sure this video has illuminated the world of highlighters for you. Now, I'm eager to hear from you in the comments. Share which aspect of the production process fascinated you the most, and feel free to suggest other products you'd like to explore behind the scenes. But before you go, if you've enjoyed the content, let's keep the momentum going. Give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Thanks for joining us on this exhilarating journey.